In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to insert an image into another image using Photoshop easily and effectively. This process is perfect for creating composite images, adding digital artifacts, or simply blending two pictures together. So, if you're ready, let's dive right in. To begin, you'll want to open Adobe Photoshop on your computer. If you don't have it installed yet, you can download it from Adobe's official website. Once Photoshop is up and running, the first step is to open the image you want to serve as your background. Simply go to the File menu at the top left corner, click on Open, and then browse through your files to select the image. This will be the canvas onto which you add another image. Moving on to the second step, you're going to add the image you wish to overlay. You do this by clicking on File again, selecting Place Embedded or Place Linked, and choosing your second image from your files. This image will appear on top of the background image. You can resize it by dragging the corners while holding down the Shift key to maintain its aspect ratio. Next, you'll create a selection on your background image. You can use any of Photoshop's selection tools for this, like the rectangular marquee tool, lasso tool, or quick selection tool. The choice of tool depends on the complexity of the selection you want to make. This selection will define the area where your second image will be inserted. Take your time here, as this will help in giving your composite a more polished look. Once you have your selection ready, it's time to fill it with a solid color. Go to the Layers panel on the right side and click on the Create a New Fill or Adjustment Layer button. Choose Solid Color, then select a color that contrasts well with your second image. This step is essential for preparing the area onto which you'll place your second image, sometimes making it easier to visualize the final result. Now add the second image if you haven't done so already. Once you've placed and resized it, make sure the image layer is directly above the solid color fill layer in the Layers panel. This layer arrangement is crucial for the next step. Next, let's create a clipping mask. Hover over the second image layer, then right-click and choose Create Clipping Mask from the context menu. This action will fit your second image into the outlined selection of the background image. Feel free to drag and resize the second image within this area to ensure it looks just right. Finally, once you have your desired composition, save your work. Go to File, then Save As to store your combined image file. You might also want to keep a Photoshop file version so you can edit your project later if needed. And there you have it, a simple yet creative way to combine two images seamlessly in Photoshop. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.